In this video, we are looking at rebuilding structure and another scenario where we've had no spur position on the left-hand side. And because of that, a cane has been wrapped. It's then been spur pruned once or twice. And then finally, we had a water shoot pop out on the old trunk here. It's been two budded last year. We now have a new spur and a new cane that we can use this year. And then it's at this point that we can start branching off of this structure down here. And we can remove the spur pruned arm with a safe cut up top. You can see that basically the same scenario is happening on the left-hand side. There's no water shoot. The cane we'd wrapped down last year didn't actually throw very healthy canes, so had to do small one bud spurs on there. And then we're going to have to essentially spur prune or chase a cane from this arm every year until a water shoot forms down on this trunk that we can use as a new renewal spur and start branching from.